Frozomoto got the last piece. The last piece of the puzzle. God damn, I'm hot. I'm so hot. Shouldn't put my jacket on. Let's take it off for a minute. There it is. My RAM mount. So, I was waiting for this one. This one was a day later than everything else. But, I'm going to show you, gents, ladies and gents. This is how we're going to put the RAM mount on. So, whoa, no. That's not good. It's too little for the hole. I'm not used to that. Normally it's too big for the hole. Definitely didn't see that one coming. Boom-ts. Shit. Well, what are we gonna do here? That's like way not the right size. I'm gonna cut it at the top. Right there. I'm gonna cut it. I'll cut it up here. Right? Up on the top. And then I'll wrap some electrical tape around it, see if that'll work. I'm not gonna stop because it's the wrong size. That's stupid. This isn't the right tool for this either, but I don't care. Alright. Here, I thought I was gonna run into an issue where the hole was gonna be too small. Alright, washer time. Technically, I could go full-size washer up on top. Right? Alright, fine, fuck you. So here's what I'm doing. I'm just putting that on the biggest piece. Right? That's kind of how I think it's going to have to work out. I don't really have an Allen wrench in the kit, so toolbox. I mean, it fits snug. Just need to get an Allen key that works. Fucking cheap. There we go. Haha. So it's starting to expand there. I mean, the top turns, but I don't think the rest of that turns. I don't think that's coming out anytime soon. Boom! Fuck yeah. We'll find out, but fuck yeah. Alright. Whew! Like that? Yeah? You guys and gals like that? Ooh, yeah, you like that, don't you? Alright. Cell phone time. It'd be nice if it didn't move around. I mean, I get why it's doing what it's doing. I liked it. I like it a lot. That takes some, like, serious force to, like, get it out of there. That's nice. Fucking neighbors. Well, let's go for a ride and test it out. Alright. Always clean up your tools. Especially when they're not yours. Oh man, I'm already noticing. I sit farther forward than I thought I was going to. The only problem with the mount is I have to reach around it to... I have to reach around it to turn my key on and off. Oh, there's a WRX. Sa dude, sa.
We're the worst neighbors in the world. We'll piss you off night and day. We drink and fight and have lots of girls around our house, but hey, town